Zeppelin, it's the name of the game here, Bowers & Wilkins, the well-known Zeppelin. It's been around 15 plus years and continues. This is the new version, the 2021-2022 version. It's not iPhone based, I mean it has not the dock for iPhone or iPod. This one's totally streaming and Bluetooth and has AirPlay too for the iPhone lovers. So I'm gonna do the unboxing. We will check it and to examine it because I have no idea what's going on inside, outside. It's a 2.1 channel system, 2.1 channels, has a woofer in center and two speakers at the corners, consistent of one mid-range and one tweeter. So there is a box in a box here, as you can see, it's a box in a box. So it was a box in a box, and now we have another box, so it's a double unboxing, covered with a plastic bag. I don't know what the environment says about this, but anyways, Bowers & Wilkins likes the plastic bags. So we have a picture of the Zeppelin here, Alexa compatible. You can download an app in order to control it, but there are buttons on it as well. AirPlay, Bluetooth, aptX, Tidal, Spotify, you know, all the services. So this is the box. I have more tapes to cut. Here, for example. The other side as well. So I removed the white wrapping paper and I have another box, a third one. So Bowers & Wilkins has to think about the environment a bit, I think. Continue. Unboxing here of the famous, legendary. And here we are, let's have a look inside. Inside it's like this, the Zeppelin is here, some accessories. This is the power cable for UK, this is the power cable for the rest of the European countries, EU. And here we have the quick owner's manual or the quick start guide and the Zeppelin. Quick start guide, all the details, there is a cable to connect it on the mains. There is no remote control and the only input that exists is the Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi one. Has no other inputs, the Zeppelin. No analog, no HDMI, no optical, no mini jack, nothing, just Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. We have one more step to go. Bowers & Wilkins provides a lot of layers here. You have to do a lot of unboxing. 3 boxes, 2 plastic bags, foam for protection. You need 5 minutes to reach this level of unboxing. So this is another bag. Another sticker to remove. Why they put so many stickers? And I think there is another. No, we're done. So finally, the Zeppelin. You see how curved it is on the back? The buttons to control it. There are 2 ways of controlling the Zeppelin, with the buttons here, with an app. And that's it, no remote control. Probably later. There is a third one way to control it with Alexa, Amazon Alexa, because it has a microphone. You see how sharp is here on the corner. Here, behind this grill here, there is a tweeter, aluminum tweeter, another tweeter here. Then we have a mid-range here, a woofer of 6 in the center, which is 2.1 channels speaker. It's a stereo in other words, with a common woofer in the center. It's not multi-room yet, but it will be later with a firmware update. So probably Bowers & Wilkins will provide in the same Zeppelin line a wireless subwoofer. I don't know, but it's good to have a subwoofer all the time for this kind of systems. On the power, the first button that lights up is this one, the center one. You can remove the stand as you see here by removing these two screws. The stand is from aluminum. It's very thick, very durable, very stable. Protects the Zeppelin. And now we can plug the on-wall, let's say, stand. Here is on this window we have the LED light for that provides a better appearance. We did our magic trick and we uncovered the drivers. As you can see, the cloth is transparent. You see here how it's treated, and these hexagons here are very well designed like this way in order for stiffness. This is very stiff now, and the cloth is outside, and the logo. So what we have here, we have an aluminum dome tweeter of 1 inch. You see there is some micro horn loading here. Then we have an FST mid-range of 3.5 inches diameter. This is not continuum, even though it looks like. Then we have the common for both channels, 6 inch from paper cone. You see how it's loading this one as well here. And then we have this, the other channel from the other side, which repeats the mid-range and the aluminum tweeter. As you can see from far away, this is the configuration of the speakers of the drivers on the new Zeppelin. So the cabinet is very thick, very stiff, very durable. Plastic, let's say, special material, I don't know, but if you touch it, it's kind of cold, it's not warm, it feels like no plastic, it feels like another material. Zeppelin here, there are 2 stickers. How we can remove these drivers, I have no idea. Here we see the drivers on the back. Special, this is the tweeter. You see this back here thing being how it's well treated. The magnet of the mid-range. For studying waves. And this is the switching power supply here. We see this white glue to reduce the vibrations of the components because of the power. So better sound, this means. Then the woofer with a sensor here controls the temperature or something. It's controllable. The chassis is metallic. Here we have the digital, here we have the Class D amplification. Class D amplification. Every channel, every speaker, every driver has its own power, dependent one. As you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 powers. So we have 40 watts on the tweeters. Then we have 60 watts on the mid-range and 80 watts on the woofer. 80, 60, 60, 40, in total we have 240 watts, 240 watts in power. It's provided from this module here, which is class D. So as you can see, the cabinet here, it's very well isolated and very well organized. The cable, they have this special, you see this special foam around for better sound. And then here we have the LED light, extra tuning foam here and here for the mid-range and for the tweeter and the mid-range. So guys, you got an idea what's going on inside the Zeppelin. We have no, the buttons are here. The buttons are here. Buttons are here. Here is the LED light, and here is the input, the power input. You know, the power goes here. You see, this is the power cable from the mains, goes here to the supply. And there we have all the electronics, the main board of the electronics is here. The upper side is the amplification, and below, underneath, we have the processors. We have all the EQ, networking, and the rest of the system. Okay, we're back on business again. You see the LED light on the back. Underneath here, how beautiful it is. You can switch it off if you don't like it, but I've connected the Zeppelin with our network. Asks for 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network in order to get connected. We did that. We download the app Music, Bowers & Wilkins Music. Here we see the buttons. You see they are not flat. This is for Alexa. This is input selector, Bluetooth, you know, Wi-Fi. And here is pause and plus for the music, the volume. We're gonna try to record the music, a track from the Zeppelin. This is our microphone that we are using in order to check the audio quality. Here is the app. You see Zeppelin there. We play Tidal inside the app. There is no Tidal Connect, but I think it has no Tidal Connect. We have to link here our service. As you can see, Tidal, and there are more services to link: Deezer, Last.fm, TuneIn, NTC, SoundCloud. But has a Spotify Connect on the other side. That's a good thing for the Spotify users. We did the firmware update. So this is the Zeppelin, the new Zeppelin. It sounds very good, very open, very freely. The bass is nice. It has a stereo image. If you stay in front of it, it fills the room easily. So the the music is very good, and the sound is as you expected, more from a Bowers & Wilkins device. So guys, that was the whole thing, the whole presentation of this new Zeppelin. I like the shape. It's more, you know, oval. It's more aggressive, more dynamic than the previous one. And see you next time. Thanks for watching.